Assalamualaikum.
Hi,
My name is Nurul Izzati binti Muhammad Izzat.
and I am Ain binti Ismail.
Okay, today we'll be having a Q&A session regarding water conservation, since water conservation is a serious issue nowadays. So, shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay. I wanna ask you, what is water conservation?
Well, water conservation is protecting our water from pollution and being wasted. It is vital because all living things need water to survive.
So, um, what are the methods for conserving water?
Well, there are several methods to conserve water. The first is reforestation, but I'm sure that most of us know what reforestation means, so I'm going to explain about water harvesting. Water harvesting is the process of collecting rainwater to put it to use later or simply to replenish the groundwater by allowing the water to reach underground.
Thank
So
you.
it is very important because it raises the declining water table and can help augment water supply.
Mm. Well,
Okay.
thank you for enlightening me about how to conserve water. So I have one last question. Why in recent days the needs of water has risen so enormously?
Well, this is because there is the high population growth and the increasing of industrial demand. There is also the irrigation and other agriculture uses, and water is used to produce energy and electricity.
Oh, okay. Thank you for answering my question. Do you have any question for me?
Actually, I do have some questions for you. Um, do you know that in some countries, such as United States, where Texas practices the toilet to tap kind of water conserving because they are at the verge of water shortage. So, if this happen to be in our country, will you drink that water, the toilet to tap water?
Mm, of course, yes. If the water meets the requirement of potable water.
Oh, okay. So, since water sustainability is a big issue now, is there any idea on maintaining its sustainability?
For your questions, well, I watched a TED talk titled "A Country with No Water" by Fahad Al-Atiyah. He mentioned a genius idea that might be the answer for your question. So what he said is, we do realize that we have more than 300 days in a year with the sun. You know, sun. So why not we use the renewable energy to produce water that we need? We probably put 1,100 megawatts of solar systems to produce 3.5 million cubic meters of water, and that is a lot of water.
Oh,
So
wow.
I guess that answers your question.
Yeah, you really answer my questions. So, the last questions is, how do you prefer to water the plants? Either using pipe water or rainwater?
Uh, Obviously, I would choose rainwater because why do we need to waste water when you have natural source of water to water your plants, and it is free of charge and it doesn't cost you any money?
Oh, okay, thank you. This is a very
Nice Q&A session with you, and I hope we all can practice our good practice.
to conserve the water
Yes,
in our earth.
and save our earth and reduce water waste. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.